This issue of who built Lagos is not looking like a joke. Biakono gente kono ofiye President of ohaneze Ndigbo Iwuanyanwu gbasara Lagos. Ona akwara otu esu eme Ndigbo na Lagos adịghị mma. That na Ndigbo bel na Lagos na efilisi ma swampy areas lojusia yo no develop Lagos, and today now they are being treated this way. Just watch and people just watch the video.
So when Lagos was accepted as capital of Nigeria, Igbos, most of them are dead today, our forebears, they rose to the challenge. Challenge of that time is investment. Investment, massive investment to make the capital Lagos a proper, a fitting headquarters for Nigeria. That's how Igbos scattered all over. That's how Igbos moved into Lagos by a sense of patriotism. Igbos came into Lagos. They found some swampy lands. They bought the land. Igbos, when they came to Lagos, they never came there to take anybody's property. They came there. They saw empty. They bought the land. They converted swampy lands to habitable places. They built businesses, they built homes, they built schools, they developed Lagos. In effect, without the enterprise, without the patriotism of Igbos, of Nigerians like the Igbos, many other Nigerians did the same, but it will appear, because of population, Igbos were in large number. But these pioneers, these our forebears, are the heroes of the time, the heroes of what we call today a very strong Lagos. When they came there, Lagos was basically swamp, but they converted it to very wonderful, beautiful headquarters we see today in Nigeria. I want on this occasion to salute our forebears.
A tribe that refused to learn from history continue to make mistake. Ndigbo amutara anything from Biafran war, and that is why ihe mekwala before the Biafran war will still happen to us again. Oge na etu onu, I build Lagos, I build Lunka, I build Lunka. Why can't we come back and build our own land? Keyemelo our own land. Keyemelo our own land kan na aju. Oge na aga na-etu ọnụ ajikwa dozie nke dozie ebe. Return back home and invest in your land. Onwuru ye dị bad na your own region. Na town of southeast, una chọrọ ịnụ. Even now, some people are still building, and these people that are building now will still cry the same cry these people are crying now in future to come. Ndị ka na-build kwa n'ugwu Hausa, they will still cry the same cry ndị nke na cry now in future time. Because I had a mutiye. I had to read in between the lines. I had to have the handwriting on the wall. Until I met to tie arrow first. If I were money and a kubezo. As it is today, Nandi only member first now are thinking that the one that are crying now are just making noise. Until it will happen to them. I had a mutiye. Man, the kind of kuya. Unijida we meli something. Before you go nwo okugo kwuya na afia unu fuli just as million agba n'enu rock. Oge nani this na doesn't knock as something, on doesn't knock ko a joke na ntị mmadụ. No Lagos we built ever. But our own region we can't come back. Just to come back and build it, it's a very big deal for you guys. Not na Lagos, you see again not na Lagos. You guys will learn, and you guys will learn in a hard way.